Most people start an online business because they want more freedom, not another job that ties them down. That's where AI Scale Stack makes a difference. This system gives you a straightforward video course and the Inbox Ignition Pack, a set of AI bots that take care of the hardest parts of email marketing. They help you create your brand, define your audience, and even write your emails for you. That means instead of spending hours every day figuring out what to say, AI does the heavy lifting, so you can focus on living your life while your business keeps running in the background. Your email list grows, your audience stays engaged, and sales can come in at any time, all without chaining you to your laptop. That's how you start building real-time freedom. And with a money-back guarantee, you can try it completely risk-free. So if you want more freedom and less stress, click the link in my description and sign up for AI Skills Stack.